Welcome to Sahai TV's special workshop series on cultural shifts in marriage. I'm Owen Nemo, and today we're embarking on a fascinating journey through time, tradition, and transformation. Whether you're joining us from the studio audience or watching from home, prepare to explore how marriage has evolved from a rigid social institution to the diverse dynamic partnership we know today. Let's begin with a striking image. This photograph from 1950 shows a traditional wedding ceremony. Notice the formality, the structured roles, the clear expectations written on every face. Now, compare it to this recent celebration from 2024. The differences tell a powerful story of how far we've come. Our journey through marriage customs spans centuries, each era leaving its unique imprint on how we view partnership and commitment. From arranged marriages that dominated for centuries to today's diverse forms of union, we are witnessing perhaps the most dramatic transformation in human relationship history. These artifacts before me tell compelling stories. This traditional wedding contract from the 1800s specified exactly what was expected from both husband and wife. Compare that to this modern prenuptial agreement, which reflects equal partnership and individual autonomy. The numbers paint a fascinating picture. In 1960, 90% of adults were married by age 35. Today, that number hovers around 50%. But this isn't about decline. It's about choice and change. Let's look at what's reshaping marriage in our digital age. Dating apps have revolutionized how we meet potential partners. Video calls keep long-distance relationships alive. Social media has transformed how we present our relationships to the world. These trends tell us something remarkable. People are marrying later, choosing partners more carefully, and creating more diverse forms of partnership than ever before. I'd love to hear from you. What navigated you? What navigated you? What changes have you observed in relationships across generations in your own family? How many of you met your partners online? Raise your hands. Fascinating. This is exactly the kind of transformation we're discussing. Meet Sarah and Raj. Their story exemplifies modern cross-cultural marriage. They met on a dating app, maintained a long-distance relationship through technology, and now navigate two distinct cultural traditions while building their unique path. As we conclude this exploration, remember, there's no right way to approach marriage anymore. The beauty lies in the freedom to choose what works for you while respecting the traditions that shaped us. Join us next week as we delve deeper into specific aspects of modern relationships. Visit our website at sahaitv.com for additional resources, including our relationship values, inventory, and cultural awareness questionnaire. From all of us at Sahai TV, thank you for joining this journey of discovery. Remember, whether traditional or modern, the heart of marriage remains the same: love, respect, and commitment. Signing off.